Welcome back. My name is Caitlin and I'm currently in the middle of the No Buy Year. This will be the second video of the 4-part making eyeshadow palettes based on the Harry Potter houses. So I have already done Ravenclaw. So what I'm doing for these Harry Potter house palettes is I'm picking some Clionadh Multichromes to base the palettes around based on the colors of the house. And then I'll go choose some other shades to sort of go with that. So I've already done Ravenclaw. Today's video is going to be Slytherin. So Slytherin is green and black, obviously. So for the Ravenclaw one, I chose like one like straight up blue, and then for the other multichromes, it's not something that's like a spot on color. It just sort of gives the vibes. So the one straight up green one that I have is Gargoyle. It's got a little bit of a blue shift to it, but the main part of it is green, so that will be the first shade. So just quickly looking, this one's kind of calling out to me. This is the shade Estate. So in the viewfinder, it's giving a little bit more like goldy yellow, but there is like a green shift to it, so I'm going to choose that one as well. That's Iron Gate. That might be leaning a little bit purple, so maybe not that one. Okay, maybe Weld though. That's like a green pink shift. Okay, and I think this one is a good iridescent one to choose. This is Illumination. Okay, so I think I like those 4. Alright, I'm kind of liking this Hot Spiced Cider from Terra as well. It's that one right there. Or that one. I'm kind of liking this Lisa Eldridge shade as well. Alright, here's my Slytherin themed palette. It's got a lot of green. I threw some black in there, and then I threw just like a lighter couple shades to help with like blending out and stuff. But the looks really are going to be focused around these shades, and then the mattes are just sort of to blend stuff out and deepen up the outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and give these a swatch. Okay, so here's my Slytherin themed eyeshadow palette. I really like how this turned out. It's green, but it's also like grungy green and some of the greeny leaning golds, which will make it a bit more wearable on the eye to me. I'm really excited to use this in the next coming weeks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. Just as like a little refresher, here is my Ravenclaw palette, here is my Slytherin palette, and the next two houses will be coming up, so stay tuned for those. I will leave a playlist in the description of all the other custom eyeshadow palettes that I've made if you want to check those out. That's all I've got. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!